My whole life, I thought being the best at something was going to be what I needed to achieve. And then I found out if I do few things well, I can achieve happiness professionally and personally. Now I'm a social media professional, a public speaker, and an author. And I love each one of those different hats that I wear every day. A lot of people have asked me, how do you become a public speaker? Good morning, KPMG. My path was doing free talks in the basement of Toronto Public Libraries from 2017 until today, this very day. That was just me being able to hone my craft. It was great because I got to try different jokes and different mantras, different approaches on people, see what landed, what didn't. So that's kind of how I got started in storytelling as well as public speaking, and it's been such a ride to go from 6-7 people in a Toronto Public Library basement to last week 6,000 people on stage at the Metro Toronto Convention Centre. I'm Scarborough born and raised, so UTSC, the name, the logo has always been around me in one shape or form while I was growing up. On my first day I walked in and there was a mix of bewilderment and awe. I can say that those were 4 of the best years of my life, and some of the friendships I forged, some of the relationships obviously I've forged will persist through time. So if you're there now and you can invest in the people around you, great things will happen.